Welcome to Edithville, our turn-of-the-century miners' cottage in Bendigo, Victoria. Join myself, Dan, and my partner, Brandon, as we transform our little house into a home. Come along with us as we document the changes and experience the journey in our beautiful home. So today's job is to finish the deck. So we're going to oil the deck. I just need to sweep it all off. And we will oil this so that it can all dry, and then we can start putting the furniture back, because at the moment all the furniture is in the garage and we want to get rid of that. It's a little bit of the first coat that's going down. You can already see the difference, which is great. So this will be nice and rich, but we'll do a couple of coats. We're going to the falls, aren't we? But first of all, we're going to wash this van. Okay, you're disgusting. And it needs a wash, given I can't see out the back. Pretty gross. But this is from driving up to Queensland and all of that jazz, so yeah, she's going to get a bit of a bath.
So Dan is washing the car. He's been wanting to do this all day. Been very excited about this. Sprocket, not so much.
At the Cascades. And we're the only ones, which is even better. Hey puppies, because you can wander around free. Wow, look at that. Be a lovely place in summer.
The millions of years, like.
So I thought they'd both be straight into it. Well, that's cool.
Totally come plunk yourself down.
Yeah.
Keep a little.
Yeah, it'd be nice in summer, wouldn't it? It's like, who's going to be first in the water? That's what I want to know.
I'm waiting for him to just fall in.
He'd be the one to do it. This is what the obsession is all about. Isn't it? Both of you. Can you get off me? Ah, just wait. Let's get into somewhat an even path. Release. Look at that viciousness. Such a vicious dog. Sprocket living his best life.
Hi mate, hi mate, how'd you go? Hey, was that one? That was fun, hey? Hey? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?